Alright, what's up, y'all? It's gonna be a really quick video today. I don't really have much to explain other than yesterday and today's trading days. So, we'll start with today just because it's a little quicker. Um, you guys all know what day it was. No, let me show you on the Discord. CPI, right? We have core CPI, normal month on month, and then year on year. So we all know what that means if you're on social media. Full porting, right? So a couple things. If you're on a funded, well, first of all, I don't recommend full porting CPI at all. But if you're gonna do it on a combine. I wouldn't recommend doing it on a funded. I only did it today just to get that last 1500, and I'll show you guys later on for the trade recap from yesterday. We lost 500 yesterday. So actually, I can show you right now. You guys can see here 517 we lost, and then today we made 1720 on CPI. So we full ported CPI. Entry was right here, but you guys know since it's moving so fast, right? I got filled at 772 and I got out at 815. So pretty lucky to catch that trade there. So that was just a CPI trade, and then yesterday I'll just show you guys really quick what I took. All right, so this is what I took here on this trade. For Thursday yesterday at, see what time it was. It was at 11:34ish. So I'm gonna be honest, this is a really bad trade. There was really no reason to take this trade. My idea was, as you guys know yesterday, right? If you were on the markets yesterday, we had this huge dump yesterday, and then we had I was looking for a nice V-shaped recovery here. I did want a closure above this gap into here, but we didn't actually end up getting that closure. And sorry, I didn't enter there. I actually entered here on this inversion here. But I was looking for us to close above this so we can have that nice market structure shift. And as you guys can see, we kind of ended up consolidating in that range for a little bit before going down lower. So, and yesterday my bias was bullish too. So, but then again, right, inversion of this 1 minute candle, I entered on the inversion. TP was actually right here at this 15 minute. This is a 15-minute FVG in here. Right at the beginning of it at 950. It's about 950 TP, and then as you guys can see, we took out this internal low before we went down and continue to go down, right? So again, right, I kind of went against the bias of the day, and that kind of, I screwed myself over with that one. Again, maybe I could have came in here, took TP here at this high, and then before we dump, right? And I even noted that too. I said after we took the internal high that we're going to look to go lower, and as you guys can see, we actually did go lower, tap this order block in here, and then we got, stopped out on the trade. So again, right, yesterday, couple things. Sometimes it's okay to go against the bias, but you got to be in and out of your trades quick, and that's kind of one example here, right? If I entered here on this inversion of this gap early, which I did, I entered at about 883, getting out at 916. That's what, 20-30 ticks. So I should have took that profit of 30 ticks after going against the bias and all that stuff. And again, there's not really many confluences for me to take that long. That's also why it wasn't a good idea, right? We have this 15-minute FVG, that inversion of the 1 minute gap that I showed you guys, right? This is that fair value gap that I was talking about. And again, I don't know why it doesn't show these things on my chart for that trade yesterday, but that's what the trade was. Again, looking at tapping this 15 gap, we just took out the internal low, or the internal high, sorry, and then we ended up dumping. So yeah, I know this was a short video, but we're gonna make it quick. We really didn't do much yesterday. We took one trade, and then today we just ended up full porting CPI. So, but yeah, I know I'm plugging this in every video, but here we go. Here's that Discord for you guys to join. You guys are more than welcome to join again, right? We have a profit and loss stream schedule. We do stream live on here as well. Looking to go live on YouTube as well, but I know I need a good amount of subscribers, so we're gonna wait on that. And then right, we got trade recaps, educational videos, blah blah blah, right? All this stuff for you guys. So If this video, I know it didn't help you out much, but if this video helped you guys at all or you find it interesting, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and then I won't see you Monday. Monday's President's Day, so we won't be trading Monday. Tuesday, maybe I'll make a video on Tuesday recapping Monday, and then on Wednesday we will see you guys. So I'll see you guys then. Peace.